Log x value you will get bar 1 means the decimal minus 1, the decimal minus 1. If you use calculator and do, you will get this value. They want you to find 0.7321 into 0.563. To take it as x, apply log on both sides. Using log table or using table, find the value of this. So take x is equal to what? 2.345 into 12.72. See how to find anti-log. 0.47 under 6 under 4 if you see, you will get this number. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with logarithm problems or simplifying or finding the value using log and anti-log. Use table and find the value. So they want you to find the value of this. Before this, let me guide you simple things. That one is a into b. What is log a into b? Log a into b is log a plus log b. The basics of log. And log a by b. What is log a by b? Log a minus log b. And one more is log a power m. What is log a power m? M log a. These are the things. Now for first problem we need this. What is log a into b? Log a plus log b. And if you want to remove log, you have to apply anti-log. You have to apply what? Anti-log. So here one problem, the first problem, the basic problem, I'll take time to explain this and make you understand. One problem if you understand better, then all other problems becomes easier. So first is little critical problem because 0 point is there. Now we'll see how to solve this. Now they want you to find the value of this. Let us assume x is equal to 0.7321 into 0.563. I am assuming x like this. Means if you finally find the value of x, it is sufficient. So now apply log on both sides. Log x is equal to log of 0.7321 into 0.563. You know log a into b. What is log a into b? Log a into b is log a plus log b. Log 0.7321 plus log 0.563. Now in order to find log, we have to use logbook. So log 0.7321 plus log 0.563. So before log, we should find characteristic. Before decimal, we don't have any digit. 0 is there. So 0 minus 1 is bar 1. And now we should see, use the logbook and find 73 under 2 under 1. So now we should make use of what? Logbook. So now we should see 73 in log, in the heading called log 73 under what? 2 under 2 and mean difference under 1. See, this is log book or log sheet or log table. Use the log table. In log, it starts with 10, 11, 12 like that. So search for 73. We'll have 73 under 73 under 2. So 73 row and under 2. 73 under 2 if you see, 73 under 2 gives you 8645. If you see the log table, open the log table. In the log table, 73 under 2 you should see. After 73 I have 2. So please observe. After 73 I have 2. So 73 under 2 I should see. So if I see, I'll get this number. 8645. For that 8645, write it separately and add mean difference. 73 under 2 under 1. Under what? 1. So now same under 73 under 1 you should see mean difference. So under 1 if you see mean difference, here we'll have a number, we'll see that number. So 73 mean difference under 1 is 1. So mean difference is 1. Under 1 near 73 it will be 1. In the row 73 under 1 if you see mean difference it will be 1. This 1 mean difference you should add to the last digit of this. So 8645 plus 1 it will become 8646. So now log of 0.7321 is bar 1 0.8646. Dear students, I found out log of this. So before decimal we have 0 digits. 0 minus 1 is bar 1. 0 point means 1 0 means we say bar 1 is the characteristic. plus, and then 73 under 2 under 1, use the log table and find, you will get this. Then again we have 0 point. 0 point means 1 0. 1 0 means bar 1. If you have 0.0, then we'll say bar 2. So now this is bar 1 because 0.10 is there, bar 1. Now we should see 56 under 3. So use the log table. In log table 56 under 3. So in log table we need 56 under 3. So in the heading logarithm. So in the heading logarithms 56 under 3. We'll have 0, 1, 2, 3. So 56 under 3. So 56 under 3, if you see, you will have a number. 56 under 3 is exactly 7505. Here you will have 7505. That you should write. 56 under 3 is 75.7505. Till this part, I'll repeat. So first they want you to find 0.7321 into 0.563. Take that as x. X is equal to the given number. Then apply log on both sides. LHS becomes log x. RHS log a into b. All of you know log a into b is log a plus log b. Then you should find log of the first number plus log of the second number. So first number before decimal we have 10. So that's why it is bar 1. And 73 under 2 you see, you will get 8645. Then under 1 mean difference if you see, it will be 1 and add it, you will get this. Then 0 point means characteristic is bar 1. If you have 0 point, then it is bar 1. Then 56 under 3 in log table, if you see, you will get this. Now, we have log x value. Log x is bar 1 point. Here you should concentrate. Bar 1.8646. 8646 plus bar 1.7505. 7505. This is the value we have. Okay. Now, log x is equal to, we have bar 1.8646. 8646 plus bar 1 point this. Now bar 1 means what? 0.8646 minus 1 plus this is what? 0.7505 minus 1. Bar 1 means from this decimal you remove 1. So both will get negative values and add that negative values. Use calculator. So use calculator, subtract this, use calculator, subtract this and combine these two. So use calculator to do this. This minus this plus this minus this. Use calculator. When you use calculator, you will get the value. Or directly, if you open the brackets and simplify, one and the fine. So now here since you are supposed to, you can use calculator, don't do mistakes. So we got log x. Till this part it is easy. I'll repeat. First what you should do, log x value you will get bar 1 means the decimal minus 1. The decimal minus 1. If you use calculator and do, you will get this value. Now you should find x. So x is equal to anti-log of, I should find anti-log of this, minus 0.3849. Please understand, negative value if you want to find anti-log, if this is negative, you should add and subtract one more for this. Before we go to the anti-log, okay, I hope all of you understood till this part. Log x is minus 0.3849. So if you get negative, one more. After 0, we have what? 1. So if you have, say, suppose if you have minus 2 point something, then add minus 3 plus 3. If it is 2, add minus 3 plus 3, if negative 2. If it is minus 0, one more is what? 1. So add and subtract 1. Add and subtract what? 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 0.3849. Can I write like this? Please understand. Minus 1 plus 1, if I cancel, I'll get the same. This number log x, first negative should not be there. If you want to find the anti-log, you have to represent in terms of bar if it is negative. If it is not negative, no headache. Because it is negative, first I have to simplify. So minus 1 plus 1 I should add. I am adding. Now minus 1 means bar 1. And this you subtract using calculator. Subtract. See now these two you can simplify. This is bar 1. So this will become plus 0.6151. Use calculator, you will get this approximately. Now this is log x. This is log x. Now bar 1 means we call this as log x can be written as bar 1.0, sorry, bar 1.65 means this 2 means 6151. Now x you need. See, our question is x. If you refer the question, the given part I took it as x. So I named x. So x is equal to, if log goes that side, it will become anti-log. If you want to remove log, right side you should apply anti-log. Simple. Anti-log of bar 1.6151. Simple and easy. So anti-log starts with 6.61. Anti-log starts with 0.00. So using log table or using table. So now if I use the table, so I should open anti-log. In anti-log, see this, whatever here we have bar 1, it continues. Now you have to see anti-log. Anti-logarithm you should see. And 0.61 in anti-log we'll have 0.61, the first 2 digits after the decimal. Anti-log starts after the decimal. 0.61 under 5 under 1, under 5 and under 1 mean difference. So 0.61 under 5, if you see, you open the anti-log, and in that 0.61 under 5, if you see, 4121, here you'll have 4121. Under 1, if you see mean difference, it will be 1. So that mean difference you should add to that 4121, and mean difference you should add, it will become 4122. So now answer is 4122, and bar 1 is there. Bar 1 means what? 0 point. Bar 1 means 0 point. Bar 1 0 point. That's it. Or into 10 power minus 1 will write, that is this. Or bar 1 means 0 point. That's it. So now we got this. If you use calculator, you will get a value nearest to this. So I'll repeat the whole process. Please pay attention. Understand one problem. If you understand, it is more than sufficient. So now they want you to find 0.7321 into 0.563. So take it as x. Apply log on both sides. Log a into b is log a plus log b. Then log of this. So 0 point characteristic is bar 1. And 73 under 2, you should see log. You will get a number. For that, under 1 mean difference you see and add, you will get 8646. Then characteristics for 0 point is bar 1. And 56 under 3 in log, if see, you will get this. Now how to write? Bar 1 means 0.8646 minus 1. So bar 1 means this decimal minus 1. Here this decimal minus 1. Use calculator, you will get this total. And this is negative. If I want, log x cannot be negative. So to make it bar method, so what you should do? 1 more than 0 is 1. So add and subtract 1. Minus 1 plus 1 you should do. Always start with negative, then positive. This minus 1 you call it as bar 1. This minus 1 you call it as what? Bar 1. And this part you subtract, you will get this. And now you combine this. Bar 1, 0.6151. And anti-log you should see. Anti-log you should see 61 under 5 under 1, if you see, you will get it. Then you will get 4121, then mean difference 1, 4122, and bar 1 means 0 point. So this is the answer. Now we will go to the next problem. Just I will get you the next problem and I will leave a part of it for you, and you have to solve it. Using log table or using table, find the value of this. So take x is equal to what? 2.345 into 12.72. Apply log on both sides, so it will become log x is equal to, here the problem is easy, log 2.345 into 12.72. All of you know log a into b. What is log a into b? Log a into b is log a plus log b. Log 2.345 plus log 12.72. Now characteristic, before decimal we have 1 digit. 1 minus 1 is 0 point. Now you should see 23 under 4 under 5. So use log sheet. In log, so go to the heading logarithm, 23 under 4 under 5. So in log we'll have 23 under 4. So you see 23 under 4. 23 under 4 is 3692. So here you'll have 3692. And then mean difference you should see next digit 5. Mean difference column you should see 5. So under 23, mean difference 5 is 9. That 9 you should add here. If you add 11 and 10, 7, 3, 3701. So it will become 3701. Plus, before decimal we have 2 digits. Number of digits minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 point is the characteristic. So now 12 under 7. So in the table, 12 under 7 under 2 you should see. 12 under 7 under 2. So see 12 under 7. 12 under 7 gives you 1038 under 2. under 2 if you see, it is 7, add this. 8 plus 7, that is 15, 4, 0, 1, 0, 4, 5. Now add these two using calculator, then find anti-log for this and continue. So now you can add these two. So now we'll add this 1.1045, 0.3701, carefully you should add. So 6474, 1.4764, log x is 1.4764. Now x is anti-log of 1.4764. Always anti-log starts from point, see, after decimal I have 47, 0.47, you see anti-log in the heading, anti-log is the table, 0.47 under 6 under 4, mean difference under 4. So 0.47 under 6. So use anti-log. In anti-log 0.47, so go for 0.47 under 6. 0.47 under 6 is 2992. Under 4, mean difference under 4. 47, sorry, this is 47 under 6, right? 47 under 6 is 2992. Mean difference is under 4. Under 4 it is 3. So now that 3 you should add here, so it will become 2995. So 2995 into whatever you get here, 10 power that. After first digit only you should put point and 10 power 1. So now that will become 29.95 approximately. So I hope all of you understood this. See how to find anti-log. 0.47 under 6 under 4, if you see, you will get this number. After first digit you will get 2995. After first digit you put decimal and then into 10 power whatever the number here. What is the number here? 1. So now 10 power 1 means 10. 10 if you multiply, it will become 29.95 approximately. So 2 simple problems I guided you. So in further classes I will go ahead with some more typical 5 mark question and I will conclude. So but here basic how to find log and anti-log, if you know, you can solve it. I think all of you understood this. I will go ahead with some more problems in my next session. Thanks for attending the session. I will see you in my next session. Thank you.